Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to shrink down and explore the mini marvels of the animal kingdom. First up, we've got the bumblebee bat. Weighing less than a penny, these little guys are the true featherweights of the bat world. Next, say hello to the Brooksia micra, the world's smallest chameleon. It's so tiny, it could fit on your fingertip. Ever heard of the Peta cypress? This fish is so small, it could swim through the eye of a needle. For you arachnophiles, meet the Patu digua, the smallest spider, barely bigger than a grain of sand. And who could forget the Etruscan shrew? This minuscule mammal's heart beats an astonishing 1,500 times per minute. Want more tiny wonders? Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.